FFKM molds used in semiconductor and chemical-resistant part production. Accumulated debris from repeated uses, one of the leading causes of product defects. Scraping these tools can damage the mold surface, while cleaning with harsh chemicals easily corrodes them. World Advanced Materials ultrafine beads quickly clean without damaging the molds selectively and perfectly removing only the stubborn debris. In addition, the ultrafine beads penetrate deep inside the gas vent holes, completely eliminating any potential causes of defects. World Advanced Materials Specialized Advanced Materials are an eco-friendly cleaning solution that extends the lifespan of molds used to produce high-performance, heat and chemical-resistant materials. This specialized process is made possible by World Advanced Materials' proprietary technology to manufacture materials like chrome and stainless steel into bead forms as small as 0.001 millimeters. By replacing conventional manual, buffing and tedious chemical processes, World Advanced Materials will help you maximize your operational efficiency.